Don't scratch your eyeball. Don't scratch your eyeball. There ain't nothing in that thumb. Go ahead, suck it. Yeah, grin. How is Mommy and Daddy supposed to take that thumb away from you later? How are we supposed to take that thing away from you later? Go scratch your eyes. Yes, you are. You go scratch your eyes. You do realize this is a blackmail video for later. Yeah, when you get bigger and go, I never sucked my thumb. I never did any of that. Yes, you did. And you were cute when you did it, too. Yeah. You're grinning even though we can't see it real well. Yeah, this is blackmail.